So if you're facing a disk error on any specific game on Steam store, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix that. So do kindly watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Now, first of all, go to your library, select your game, right click on it, and then go to properties. Now go to local files and click on verify integrity of game files, and it will basically re-download the corrupted or missing files of your game, and you will not be able to see the error again. Alright, so after verifying, we have to clear the download cache. So for that, go to Steam settings, and after that go to downloads and click on clear download cache, because sometimes the reason behind these errors and bugs or missing features is the corrupted cache memory. So make sure to clear all the corrupted cache memory. Now you have to log in with your account again, and most probably your problem will be fixed. Alright, so in the last, you have to delete the temporary files of your computer. So for that, go to your computer settings, and over there you have to search for storage, and here you will find delete temporary files. So simply click on it and make sure to clean all the temporary files, which are basically unnecessary files. So just clear all the unnecessary files from your computer, and it will basically helps you a lot. So after following all the steps properly, your problem will be fixed. So all for today's video, guys. If you like the video, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.